Hey guys, driving here in Adelaide right now, going to visit the Lake Bambunga in Clare Valley, which is the Pink Lake. So I've been driving for about an hour and a half here from Adelaide, and the best conditions to see the lake, supposedly it's around 12 o'clock when the sun is out and there are no clouds, so bright midday. And right now it's 12:15, so we are on perfect time and we are arriving right now. Hey guys, so I just got here to the Pink Lake in South Australia, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, still a beautiful day here in South Australia, and we're gonna drive to the beach now. Let's explore a little bit of these amazing beaches they have here in South Australia. Let's go! Beautiful South Australia. Gorgeous day, Saturday morning, 28 degrees. Gorgeous. Whose idea was to go to the zoo in this bad weather? My God, it's raining, it's cold, but we're gonna go see if the animals are out.